We live in a world that is rapidly decarbonising the supply of electricity and heat. Many organisations now have aggressive targets of moving to net zero by 2030. Up to now, much of the low carbon electricity is generated by wind and solar, but we also need sources of electricity that are not dependent on the sun shining or wind blowing. Batteries are still expensive and can only deal with short periods. We also need zero carbon heating for our homes and commercial enterprises. Since 2014, Bluebox has been developing ultra-low carbon combined heat and power solutions for business parks, communities, industrial and farming processes. During that time, we've developed a new method to convert the heat to electricity using our hot air turbine technology. For fuel, we use waste wood from timber production, municipal waste, or simply heat from industrial processes. A hot air turbine takes in filtered air and compresses it in a turbo compressor. This air is heated using energy from a hot gas stream like flue gas from the combustion of waste. This hot pressurised air passes through the turbo compressor and power turbine to produce electricity. The electrical output from the turbine generator is converted to high quality grid power in a dedicated inverter. The air that comes out of the power turbine is still about 400 degrees C, so it can be used for heating, steam production or direct drying. The turbine is started in 30 seconds using a blower fan. The turbine can be stopped in 10 seconds by opening vent valves, allowing the compressed air to pass straight to the exhaust. The remaining parts of the module are there to lubricate and cool the turbine components, as well as monitoring all the key pressures and temperatures to ensure correct operation. A control system completes the package, allowing easy start-stop, manages safe operation and allows remote access to all the key parameters.
There are lots of advantages of the hot air turbine technology over organic Rankine cycles and steam expanders. It is made of proven components with millions of operating hours in the power generation and ship propulsion applications. It is almost twice the efficiency of hot water ORCs, whilst being significantly less expensive. It supplies very large quantities of high temperature clean hot air. It provides a stable power output even at higher ambient temperatures. There is no need for a power hungry condenser. It uses ambient air rather than hazardous fluid. Crucially, it is easy to operate and maintain, quick to start and stop with no impact on equipment durability.
We build a range of 4 hot air turbines, from our smallest 50 kilowatt electric suited to a combustor of 300 to 500 kilowatts thermal, to our largest 330 kilowatt electric suited to combustors of 2 to 3 megawatts thermal. We can parallel a number of units for larger systems. A few examples of the projects we have worked on include a biomass combined heat and power solution with Schmidt Energy, a pyrolysis biochar facility with Compag, a green hydrogen production station with Manergy, plastics destruction with the Sea Cleaners and Etia, waste combustion CHP with Krieger boilers, and a syngas cooling system with Innerwell in Korea. Let's have a deep dive into the CHP system we developed with Ockazentrum and Compag in Switzerland. Their customer needed a solution that would use forestry waste wood feedstock to produce biochar, heat and power for their organic greenhouse. Ockazentrum developed a pyrolysis process producing biochar and syngas, with the raw syngas being burnt in a flux combustor. We worked with their team to match a hot air turbine to the heat output from this combustor, including thermodynamic modelling, mechanical integration and developing the control strategy. Within a year we moved from the outline specifications through design and factory build to fully commissioned and tested hardware.
At Bluebox, we are passionate about reducing the carbon footprint for all of our energy needs and reducing the costs for our clients and customers. If you would like us to help you develop energy solutions for your business, please get in touch with the team, who would be delighted to talk with you. And if you liked the presentation, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up.